achieve, celebrate.
Dream big. Don't take no for an answer. And can't is a 4-letter word.
Each for equal. Diversity is the key to unlocking the potential for new ideas, new initiatives to do business in the world. Hi, my name's Christine Bongard and I'm president of the WIT Network. The WIT Network is this amazing fabric of people. We have over 3,000 members right now all over the world. We're in 30 countries and we're all come together for the main purpose of supporting women in technology. We're about inspiring and educating young women and women to pursue STEM education and careers in technology. We're about supporting women all along their career path, whether it is to get a promotion, to get to a leadership level, to be on the C-suite, to be in the boardroom, to become entrepreneurs. We're providing educational and inspirational programs to help women along that journey. I've been involved in women in technology for over 6 years now, and I'm inspired by everyone I meet. We have over 3,000 members right now, and I'm inspired by every single one of them and what they're doing to help support our mission.
Believe, achieve, and celebrate!